So good George, di ako may bundag tanan, tanan day nga manglantaw ba. Ako day si James, kasi ko to. O kauban sa ko ang amigo, may galan ako. Gwapo, kaling di lang niya makita pero sige lang makita lang niya platad lang. Si David Bok, anak ni Randoy, Tisoy. O kuan meron mo hatag ni kalingawan. Kung gusto mo lang tao, gusto niyo makita ang mga kuan. Search lang niyo niya sa kuan sa sa YouTube. Search ang Fox Band. Si Kalakti. Ako din ipag-ipa kuan ninyo. Gusto ninyo ang bawang tubig nga Cooks alkaline ionized drinking water makes your body stronger and healthier. So, kung gusto mo mo inom ani, try dili lang niyo makita sa Danau Port, Escalante City, Danau Port, Negros Occidental. So, try lang ninyo, makawin mo, nindot kayo sa inyong, nindot kayo nga tubig. Karon George, ato nang sugdan George, atong ninyo George, kay pamantay trabaho na George, pamantay ninyo George, so, maglingalingat sa George kay para kuha sa abs sa agtang George ba. Start na sa George, ito ang galingan George.
I've been there 1,000 times, felt the rain like 1,000 nights, and it hurts. I know it hurts. I've been there like a fighter plane, trying to fly my way through a hurricane, and it's hard. I know it's hard. Don't be afraid, you'll make it through. Just call out to me, and I'll come running to you. And hold on, when the current pulls you under, and your heart beats like thunder. Just give me your hand, and hold on, till the storm's over, and I'll be fighting for you. Just give me your hand, and hold on. I'll give you hope, I'll give you faith, and if it's dark, I'll light the way for you. For you. By your side until the end, until you're standing tall again.